you are mine to keep. You are a radar detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on, but you are always looking out for me. You and I go shopping and find exactly what I drive 1,000 miles an hour.
Are you ready?